What is good, Doozy Does It fam? I'm here to show you guys today how you can stream on Kick and Twitch at the same time. So, before we get into it, please drop a like down below, drop a sub. It means a lot to help out the channel and the algorithm. So without any further ado, let's get right into it, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do, all right, you're going to want to get this site open, okay? Restream.io, link will be in the description down below. And then first off, from here, none of these will be here, right? So you go add channel, boom, Twitch, authorize, good to go, right? So now that that's done, then you add channel, Kick, boom. So you got to put these in. I've already done it. You can find that. So you're going to go to your Kick profile, you're going to go to stream key, and then you can copy and paste. Looks like actually, boom, you can create a Restream account right from here. And you're going to want to stream, you're going to want to copy and paste the stream URL and copy and paste the stream key. So do that. And then from there, you're going to want to go to your settings, right? You go stream setup, copy this, right? Boom. Go into your Streamlabs OBS, stream. Boom. You put the URL in here, okay? And then, boom, copy the stream key. Put the URL in there. Done. Now you should be, when you go live, now you should be streaming from both accounts. But there is a little thing that I have seen. So there's actually a little watermark on your stream when you're streaming. So if you want to get the, if you don't want that little watermark, you can pay for the upgraded version, and we can see how much it is. There's a standard version, $20 a month, stream up to 5 channels. I mean, this is not a paid subscription or sorry, this is not a paid promotion by any means. This is one of the only apps you can actually do this on. So, yeah, that'll be it for the video, guys. I just want to show you something quick, easy, and hopefully you guys can follow along. I will put links in the description down below. Make sure to smash that like and sub button. Thank you guys very much for coming. Peace out.